Hi students. So 6th class students, today I am starting your worksheet 2. Unit is bigger numbers and the topic and the concept is addition. So in the first section, learning outcomes is there, in which they are showing you what you are going to learn in this worksheet. You are able to solve bigger numbers addition, and you are able to solve the addition problems in the real life situations. Okay. So second section is conceptual understanding. Okay, by activity, by model problems. Okay, so first sum is 2564, that is 2564, then 4571, then 325. Okay, we have to add these three numbers. Okay, so first what we will do, first we'll write the place values. Okay, so for writing the place value, we have to start from right side. Okay, ones, tens, hundred and thousand. So what is the first number here? 2564. Okay, 2564. Then next one is 4571. It is 4571. Then next one is 325. 325. So we have to add these numbers. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, here 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. 15, 16. Okay, it is 16. 5, 10, 11. 12, 13, 14. Okay, then 4, 5, 6, 7. It is 7460. Okay, it is 7460. Second one is, in a village there are 839 children. Okay, our village is there. In that village 839 children are there. 4572 men are there, and women is 4180. So what is the total population of that village? Total means what you have to do here? You have to do here addition. Okay, so first in the word problems you have to write given. Okay, so what is the given here? First you have to write the given number of children in a village. Okay, number of children. So number of children, how much is there here? 839. Okay, it is 839. And number of men is here 4572. Okay, then women is here, women 4180. Okay, now we will add this. Okay, so 9, 10, 11. It is 11. Okay, so 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. 17, 18, 19. 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 plus 8 is again here 15. Okay, 4 plus 4 is 8, 9. So total population of that village is 9591. So you have to write total population is equals to 9591. Okay, so total means you have to do addition. Now I am showing you the practice problems. In the third section, add the following is there. What is the first number here? 3544. Second number is 560 and then 75. So what is the larger number here? The greater number, it is 3544. So it is in 1000. Okay, larger number is in 1000. So you have to write first here 1000. Okay, so ones, ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Okay, ones, tens, hundred and thousand. So it is 3544. Then 560. Okay, 560. Then 75. Okay, then 75 is there. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 is there. Okay, so 11 plus 6, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 5 plus 5 is 10, 11. Okay, so 3 plus 1 is 4. It is 4179. First one is. Okay, so first see the greater number. If greater number is in thousand, then write the digits in like this. Okay, so if it is in 100, you have to write HTO, means ones, tens, 100. Okay, so second one. What is the second one here? It is 5900, 425 and 3254. Again here also 1000 is there. So ones, tens, okay, 100 and 1000. So it is 5900. Okay, next one is 425. Third one is 3254. 3254. Now add it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 7. Okay, 4, 5, 6. Okay, it is 6. 9 plus 6 is 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, now 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it is 9579. Okay. Okay. It is 9579. Second one is. C1 is 250, 3594, 832. 250. It is 250. Then 3594. Then 832. It is 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 3, 4. So why I am taking 8, 9, 10, 11 and adding 5? Why? Because if we take larger number, okay, if we start with larger number, it will be easy for you. Okay, for doing addition. First we will take larger number, then we'll add with the smaller numbers. Okay. So 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 plus 5, it is easy. Okay. So if we do 1 plus 2, 3, then 3 plus 5, then 3, then plus 8. Okay, it will be long method. Okay, so first take the larger number and add with the smaller number. Okay, so the answer is here 4676. Okay, third bit, second one is also same. Add the following. Okay, it is 5934, 754, 2961. Okay, so again we have to add this. Okay, ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Okay, so it is 5934. Second one is 754. Third one is 2961. We have to add this. 4 plus 4, it is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay. Then 6, 7, 8, 9. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 9 plus 5 is 14. So here 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. 19 plus 7, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is 9,649. First one is. Second one is 2000 plus 3564 plus 76. So again 1000 is there. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. It is 2000. Okay. Then 3564. Then 76. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is 10. So 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. 5 plus 1 is 6. 3, 4, 5. It is 5640. Third one is 724 plus 92 plus 4236. Again here 1000 is a bigger number. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. So it is 724. It is 92. It is 4236. Again 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 plus 1 is, it is 5. This is 0. So it is 5052. Third one is. Fourth one is 570 plus 3246 plus 59. Okay. So again 1000 is the bigger number here. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. 570. Then 3246. Then 59. Now 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. 5. 4 plus 1 is again 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. So it is 5, 6, 7, 8. 3. It is 3875. So write this answer here. Okay. In all sums you write like this only. So fifth one is 4050 again. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. It is 4050. Then 312. Then 1058. 58. So we'll do here. So it is 8, 9, 10. It is 5 plus 5 is 10, 11, 12. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. It is 5420. Sixth one is 42 plus 379 plus 8018. Again ones, tens, 100, 1000. It is 42. Then 379. Then 8018. 9, 10, 11. Okay. 11 plus 8. Okay. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. It is 19. 11 plus 8 is 19. Then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 3 plus 1 is 4, 8. It is 8439. Third one is solve the following additions. Okay, here also additions you have to do. Word problems are there. A1 is Rajesh earns rupees 12,500 per month. Okay. Rajesh earns how much money? 12,500. His wife earns rupees 9,800. Okay, so what are the total earnings? Again here total is there. Okay, first you have to write given. Okay, given Rajesh earnings. What are Rajesh earnings? It is 12,500. Again Rajesh wife's earning. Okay, wife earning 9,800. Okay, it is 9,800. So here you have to write 9,800. Okay, it is 12,000 now, so here it is 12,500. It is 9,800, so you have to write like this. Okay, so what are the total earnings? Okay, so total earnings is equal to, you have to do here addition again. 0 0 plus 0 is again 0, 8 9 10 11 12 13. It is 13, 9 10 11 12. Okay, so 1 plus 1 is here. It is 1 plus 1, it is 2. So it is 22,300. Okay, total earning is 22,300. Okay, so if you want to write here ones, tens, 100, 1000, you can write. Okay, otherwise you can do like this also. At stadium, 9,247 seats are allotted for women and 8,456 seats are allotted for men. So how many seats are there in all the stadium? You have to write the given seats allotted for women. So how many seats are allotted for women? It is 9,247. Then for men, seats allotted for men, it is 8,456. Okay, then total seats are there in the stadium. Total seats means again you have to do here addition. Okay, so here we'll do addition. Okay, so 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. It is 13, 1 3. Okay, so 5, 4 plus 1 is 5, 4 plus 1 is there here, it is 5, 5 plus 5 is, it is 10. Okay, so here 4 5 6 7, 8. Okay, 8 plus 8 is 16, plus 1 is 17, 8 plus 9 is 17. Okay, so it is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. It is 17,703 total seats are. Okay, so these are the total seats in the stadium. Rupees 2,575 to him. How many rupees does Shiva have now? Okay, so first you have to write the given total amount. Total amount Shiva had, how much amount? It is rupees, it is rupees 7,550. Okay, then Shiva's mother gave how much of amount? Rupees 2,575. Okay, then the total amount is, total amount Shiva had here is 0 plus 5 is 5, then 7 8 9 10 11 12, then 5 plus 5 is 10 11, then 7 8 9 10. So it is rupees 10,125. Okay, so Shiva had now 10,125. D1 is, there are 2,435 mango trees in a garden. In a garden, Two types of trees are there, mango trees and guava trees. Guava trees are 4035 and mango trees are 2435. So how many total trees are there in the garden means what you have to do, again you have to do here addition. Okay, given, first you have to write the given total trees of mango is equals to 2435. Then total trees of guava, it is 4035. Then we have to add this. Okay, 5 plus 5 is again here 10, 3 plus 3 is 6, 7, 4 plus 0 is 4, 4, 5, 6, 2 plus 4 is 6. So it is 6470. Okay, 6470. So total trees, how much trees are there? 6470. D1 is there are 2435 mango trees in a garden. In a garden, two types of trees are there, mango trees and guava trees. Guava trees are 4035 and mango trees are 2435. So how many total trees are there in the garden means what you have to do, again you have to do here addition. Okay, given, first you have to write the given total trees of mango is equals to 2435. Then total trees of guava, it is 4035. Then we have to add this. Okay, 5 plus 5 is again here 10, 3 plus 3 is 6, 7, 4 plus 0 is 4, 4, 5, 6, 2 plus 4 is 6. So it is 6470. Okay, 6470. So total trees, how much trees are there? 6470. E1 is the price of a cycle in the market. It is rupees 3805 and the price of a TV is 9575. So how much will be the price of the two items? Okay, so a market is there. In that market, cycle price is 3805 and TV price is rupees 9575. So what is the total price? Again what you have to do here, also you have to do addition. First you have to write given price of a cycle rupees 3805. Then price of a TV, okay, it is rupees 9575. So total price is equals to 5 plus 5 is here 10, 7 plus 1 is 8, okay, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, it is 13. So here 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So it is 13,380 total price is here. Okay, so the price of the two items is here 13,380. So F1 is price per apples basket is rupees 2100. Okay, apple basket price is rupees 2100 and mango basket price is rupees 1750. So and basket guavas are priced at 1275. Okay, so there are three types of baskets. First is the apple, mangoes, then guavas. So what you have to do here is again addition. 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 5 is 5, then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 1 you have to write here, then 2. Okay, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 1 you have to write here. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, it is 5, it is 5125. So here total cost of fruits basket, 3 baskets are, it is rupees 5125. G1 is Rajesh went to the market to buy the goods. Okay, good means some things. Okay, he wanted for his house and observe the following price table. So here objects are given: bed, TV and almirah. Okay, so bed, price of the bed is 7560, price of TV is rupees 9800 and price of almirah is 5475. So how much should Rajesh pay to the shopkeeper if he wants to buy bed and almirah? So bed and almirah means what you have to do, you have to take bed and almirah cost. Okay, so what is the bed here? Rupees 7560. Okay, so almirah is 5475 rupees. So you have to add both of this. Okay, 0 plus 5 is 5, then 6 plus 7 is 13, So 5, 4 plus 5, 1 is 5, then 10. Okay, then 5, 6. 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 1 is there now, 13 again. This is also. Okay, so it is 13,035. Okay, so here you can write Rajesh pay 13,035. Okay, to buy bed, and almirah. Okay, so you can write here as answer Rajesh pays 13,035. Okay, to buy bed and almirah. Okay, so to buy bed, and almirah. Okay, second one is how much should Rajesh pay to the shopkeeper if he wants to buy TV and bed. Okay, TV. What is the price of TV? TV's price is, it is rupees 9,800. Okay, it is given in the question. Okay, so bed. What is the price of bed? It is rupees 7,500. Okay, so again you have to add this. Okay, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 3. Again. Okay, 7, 8. 8 plus 8 is 16, plus 1 is 17. Okay, so 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 9 is 17. It is rupees 17,300. Okay, so how much should Rajesh pay to the shopkeeper? Rajesh pays, okay, Rajesh pays 17,300. Okay, 17,300 to buy TV and bed. Okay, so this is how you have to do. Third bit is how much should Rajesh pay to the shopkeeper if he wants to buy TV and almirah. Here TV. TV means, what is the price of TV again? It is, TV means, it is rupees 9,800. Okay, so what is the price of almirah? Almirah is rupees 5,475. So here 0 plus 5 is 5, 0 plus 7 is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It is 12. So 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15. Okay, it is rupees 15,275. So you can write here Rajesh pays, okay, rupees 15,275 to buy, okay, TV and almirah. Okay, this is the third. Now fourth bit is how much should Rajesh pay to the shopkeeper if he wants to buy all three items. Okay, all three items means bed, TV and almirah. So bed, what is the price of bed? It is rupees 7,500, and TV is rupees 9,800, and almirah is rupees 5,475. Now 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. Here also it is 7. So here 8, okay, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, okay, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, 8 plus 5 is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 plus 4 is 14, 15, 16, 17. 1. Here you have to write 7. So here it is 9. Okay, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It is 14. Then 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So it is 22,775. Okay, so the total of 3 items is here 22,775. Okay, this Rajesh pays, okay, to buy all items. Okay, to buy all items. So with this we have completed our worksheet. Okay, so I'll start next worksheet in my next video. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye.